Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. I can't believe it is 2020 already, and this is the first video of the year for me. And as you guys already know by the title what this video is going to be about, and I'm super excited to be actually playing around with the Bare Necessities palette. I have created about 5 looks with this palette, but you don't have to stop at 5. You can obviously do more. I may do more looks and do like another part to this video. I'm not really sure yet, because I'm also doing looks with the So Jaded palette, so stay tuned for that. But this palette is absolutely gorgeous. Just look at all the colors in here. It is a very neutral, rosy type of palette. It has lovely shimmers in here as well. There's a lot of neutral, everyday, and smoky looks you can do for it. I mean, if you're a bride or if you're a makeup artist, this is a great palette to put in your kit for bridal makeup. The shadows are really, really good too. They're buttery, they're creamy. This palette does have a little bit of fallout for certain matte shadows. There is definitely kickback, but the shimmers in here work best with your fingers. They're not as emollient as I would have preferred them to be, but they're not bad at all. I mean, for the price point and the amount of shadows that you get, they are actually really nice. Just make sure you use your fingers to get the maximum amount of payoff. So I know you guys are waiting for the looks, but if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell, and let's get started. That's all I have for you. I hope you loved all of the looks. I really loved creating all of them. Like I said, I might do a few more with this palette. Definitely looking forward to that. I do have a tutorial on the So Jaded palette coming up too. Similar theme, 5 looks and things like that. So stay tuned for that. And thanks for tuning in. Leave your comments down below and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.